Hello, I'm the slime maker, and today I'm gonna make slime, and we're gonna be throwing it in someone's faces today. So I have my glue already in my bowl, and this is the glue I'm using. It's Elmer's school glue, and I'm gonna see if I just put a little bit more in it. I guess not. So I'm not gonna do that. And so now what you'll be needing, I'm using Tide, which is my favorite kind to use because it works very good when I'm making slime anytime. I'm just going to pour it about right here. But you probably won't need that much. Okay, now I'm going to pour it. Now I'm going to pour it. I think I put too much. That's fine. Then I think when I mix, and if you can see it, it's forming into slime. And you want to roll your arms up. Okay. It's forming. I think we'll take it out now. So it's forming. It's a little sticky. It's really sticky. So I think it's ready for me to pour it in someone's face. Oh wait, this is not going to be enough, so we already prepared another slime. In the background of the video.
So oh my God, what are you making? What are you doing? Are you making a mess? What are you doing?
I'm making some slime.
What are you? I feel like I heard you say you were the slime master. Did you call yourself the slime master?
Of course.
Why?
Because I am.
So that's what you're doing? You're making slime. You feel like you're real good at it. Doesn't it look like you can eat it?
No.
You don't think so?
No.
No, it looks like you can
Look
eat
at it.
Let me see. I didn't get to see it. Oh!